steps up to steal the ball. As a dig. Oh, good block there. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. The defender could be in trouble here. They have the ball again. Striker's ball. Well intercepted. Now Slimani. And he stayed onside. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Nice work there. Steps up to steal the ball. Rodriguez. Oh, it's a clear chance. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. It's the first goal of the day and a thoroughly deserved lead. And we're back underway here. With the striker, and this really takes the pressure off. The Szczesny saves. Good clearance there. Captain on the ball. Rodriguez. Can they make it count? Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. Field. Slimani, the keeper's blocked that one. Abati, it's a throw-in. Throw-in taken short. It's half-time and a tough... Respective team talks at half-time might have been very different. But can they get back into this one? They're winning. They need to defend well here. Oh, this is good stuff. Good interception. Sends it long. Good interception. And he's back in possession. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Defenders are looking... Oh, Rodriguez! Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Striker's ball. Well intercepted. Rodriguez. Possession. They've won it back. And he's back in possession. Now Slimani. The team swap possession again. Oh, determined challenge there. Rodriguez. Backer now. The team swap possession again. Oh, determined challenge there. Striker's ball. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. And this player's on form. 3 of the best for him. 3 well-worked and deserved goals from this player. The manager will be extremely pleased with his performance. Backer now. Good interception. And it's with the captain. They've won the ball back again. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. The referee have a full time. The manager will be pleased by his team's cup run. They'll be setting their sights on the final now. Well, I think they've got the right man of the match. He put in more than 100%.